The mullet on that dude and he can't get up there. What's going on? He's supposed to be going upwards, isn't he? Yeah.
Oh mate, I like you fucking do that. You're not giving it enough.
Hey?
Bloody oath.
Fuck!
Luke all the way.
Not much pressure in the rear. Turn it the other way. Turn it the other way, you noodle.
Turn the other way.
Yeah.
Now you're gonna flip the thing, cunt. Needs more pressure out. He's got way too much pressure in his tyres. Are you the last spitfire on TikTok?
Yeah.
Hey, that's sick.
What are you guys up to? Causing mischief?
Fuck yeah. Kids with little...
Let some pressure, more pressure out.
Pardon?
Why don't you let more pressure out of the tyres?
Scared.
Scared of what? Fuck.
Honestly, you just fill it back up in mobile. That's what the boys and I do.
Oh, we've got a pump. I've got a big compressor and shit.
We'll just go to the Caltex and Dargo.
Is the Bounty gonna have a crack?
Yeah, he'll give it a go.
He'll get up easy.
Yeah, second lower than diff lock, every seat.
Well, yeah, my Suzuki's at the top.
Did it get up easy? Yeah.
He was second, he just caught it. Fucking.
It's just like second
Mate.
low.
The mullet on that dude and he can't get up there. What's going on? Your mullet is swag, bro. Your mullet is swag. That mullet alone should have got you up there. Oh, fuck's sake.
Fucking no wheat fix this morning, bro.
Did you guys camp up here?
Nah, we were at Northern Base last night.
Oh, true. Fuck, you guys are looking pretty good for being at that last night.
Yeah, we snuck in too.
Did you? Fuck yeah.
That always fucking happens every year. The security guards were fucking useless. They would spot us with their spotlights and just yell at us. Keep running.
Oh, that's classic, dude.
Get out of here. They wouldn't jump the fence to come get us once.
The missus is out.
Yeah, she's scared, boys.
That's a bit harsh.
Hey, second live.
Daddy's you. That
All
one.
right.
Is that?
That's his dad's you.
Oh, is his dad on TikTok? He's still got full pressure. Yeah, he's got too much pressure again.
I'm at like 5 psi.
Fuck yeah, look at that little weapon.
Makes sick noises.
Mate, nothing beats
Oh, how
it.
bumpy is it?
Oh, look at that little weapon go. Oh, you're fucking kidding me.
Nothing beats his legs, dude. That's bloody long.
Oh, bro. That's just,
Oh, sometimes you get...
so did we.
Nah, rock. Have you got it?
Yeah, fuck yeah.
Just gotta